Breaking news for all developers and tech lovers. OpenAI just launched Codex CLI, and it's insane. Imagine an AI that can code, build, move files, interpret images, and automate tasks from your terminal. Yep, no IDEs, no fluff, just raw power packed inside your command line. This isn't the future. It's happening right now. Let's explain how Codex CLI could transform how you build software. Codex CLI is a lightweight open-source coding agent that connects OpenAI's powerful language models, like O3 and O4 Mini, directly to your command line. It lets you generate code, modify files, interact with your local system, and even handle images, all in your terminal. Here's where things get wild. You can type a natural language prompt like, "Create a Python script that scrapes a website and saves data to CSV." Codex CLI builds the file right there. Need to move files, search directories, or debug code? Done! It's like having an AI-powered developer assistant inside your terminal. Codex CLI also supports multimodal reasoning. You can upload screenshots or sketches along with your prompt, and the AI will interpret them. This opens up incredible possibilities, as combining visual input with code context leads to smarter output. OpenAI is building toward what it calls the Agentic Software Engineer, AI that can take a project idea, build it, test it, and ship it. Codex CLI isn't fully autonomous yet, but this tool is a major step forward. And here's the cherry on top. OpenAI has launched a $1 million API grant program. If you're building with Codex CLI, you could get $25,000 of API credits. So, yeah, it's not just a cool tool, there's serious incentive to create with it. One thing to remember, AI-generated code can still have bugs or vulnerabilities, so always review and test it carefully, especially if you're building something sensitive. Codex CLI is one of the most exciting developer tools we've seen. It's fast, smart, open source, and blends perfectly into your existing workflow. Whether you're building apps, automating tasks, or just experimenting, this is a game changer. And the best part? You can try it right now. Thinking about trying Codex CLI? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear what you're building with it. Until next time, keep coding, stay curious, and let AI power your creativity. Stay ahead with the latest advancement in technology and innovation. Visit our website to learn more, and don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe for our latest updates.